So I got this thing that turns your regular old action camera into what's dubbed the ultimate creator vlogging setup. And maybe you're expecting more, but when we break it down, I don't think you need much more.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, thanks for being here, and don't be a stranger. If you're not new here, well, there's a button for you. Press that one right there, and it gives me all kinds of warm, fuzzy feelings. Oh, I felt it. I felt that. Thank you. So, the Volta. Oh, you like my sling bag? It does not come with the Volta, but it's a pretty nice bag that you can get from GoPro, and I'll put links to everything I'm showing you down in the description, plus a surprise link. I think you're actually supposed to wear it around your shoulder, but it's always gonna be a fanny pack for me. So again, the Volta. The idea is to pair it with the GoPro giving you sharp, high quality video, an amazing stabilization, and a front screen. Pair that with the media mod, which gives you a more directional microphone, or option to add another microphone. And pair it with the light mod to give you balanced light in low light conditions. And after all that, we add the Volta. You plug it into your media mod, or not. I mean, it does come with a Hero 10 door compatible with the Volta. And I'll make a future video comparing the Volta to a more Frankenstein setup with third-party accessories. So make sure you do ding that bell to get notified when I drop a new video. And I think I have some kind of a notification squad that's in the comments, so what's up? The Volta is made really solid. It feels really quality in your hands. It does not feel cheap. It does not feel like it's gonna break. It has built-in buttons to connect to your GoPro, either through the USB-C cable or wirelessly through Bluetooth with a 98-foot or 30-meter range. There are these LED lights to show you your battery status, but also when you power it on, it will actually show you which mode that you're on. The remote buttons do your basic commands like power on and off, start and stop your recording or take a photo, and also your battery indicator, and connecting via Bluetooth button. The buttons are a little bit tough to press, but that's a good thing because you don't want to accidentally bump them. The tripod part, it is very convenient just to have and be able to set that up anywhere you want to. But then you can use this as a grip for like your selfie stick, and it doesn't extend like a selfie stick, which would have been a nice addition, but I think their aim was to just give you more battery power that they could fit in this little area right here. The built-in battery gives you 4 hours of recording time at 5K 30, which is 3 times more than just the normal battery. Obviously, higher resolutions and frame rates will deplete the battery more, so in my opinion, if you're vlogging, 4K 30 is where you want it to be at, and that gives you even more time. They also have a screw thread on the bottom if you want to mount it to other accessories. A wrist strap down at the bottom, which is a great idea to have, especially if you're going to be filming over ledges or something like that. You drop it. Oh, nope, we're fine. We're good. We're good. It has a really clever pop-out mounting system for other GoPro accessories like a backpack strap, and then it just hides away really easily. And honestly, I just now thought of this. This would be a perfect use for this. This is going to be cool. Oh yeah. All right. So, I mean, you can actually like backwards engineer this and put a phone mount, and then you can put your phone down there, and like if you're reading off of a script, it's just all right there. But also, if you're live streaming from your GoPro, you can see your comments and everything right there. That's actually a really good use for that. I like that a lot. But moving on. Under the USB-C cable, you have a USB-C port to charge this unit. The top mount can actually swivel around, so you can kind of adjust it to your liking with the remote, or when you have it on the tripod, you can adjust it the proper way to get the angle that you want. And the whole thing is weather resistant, but it's not waterproof. So make sure you don't go swimming with this thing because you'll ruin your GoPro. Now, one thing I think would be awesome to add, GoPro, if you're listening, this would be really cool, and probably just a firmware update on the GoPro itself. I would love to see like an automatic mode on here. So you just set it on auto and it can detect when it's low light. So it adjusts the ISO, it adjusts the shutter speed and all of that stuff on its own. And also when you like set it down on a tripod, it detects that there's no more motion, so it automatically disables hypersmooth. I think that'd be pretty cool, especially for those who are just kind of new to this, that don't know how to change the settings or do all of that on the fly. And if you are someone that needs to shoot this in low lighting, make sure you check out this video, and I'll put the link to it in the description. This is a great video to show you how to create your own custom preset for low lighting, especially like at nighttime and you have like a light. This is the best way to do it. I'll be honest with you, when I first saw this, I was a bit skeptical of it. I was like, is this what people are really needing? But now, having used this, and I'm using it right now, I like this thing a lot. It is very, very convenient. And I think that this thing is totally worth it, if not for anything else, but just the extra battery power that you get. If this thing is the equivalent of 3 to 4 extra batteries, that's $60 to $80 you're saving and not having to have extra batteries to take with you, to keep them charged, to keep track of. And I just think that that's a good deal overall. This comes in under $130 US, but if you have the subscription, and I highly recommend that you do, check out some of my latest videos and you'll see why. You can save $40 on this and it comes in just over $90 US. If you are looking for this as your first ever GoPro, you can get the whole creator edition with the subscription for $532 US. And that's the Hero 10, Media Mod, Light Mod, and the Volta, which is a really good deal. So that's it for today's video on the Volta. My goal here is not to get you to spend your money. It's to show you what this thing is, what it does, and where you can get it, and then you can choose for yourself. But I am a fan of this, and I think it's really great and a really good accessory to have. But thanks so much for watching. More videos coming out all the time, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.